Welcome to the birthday vlog. I'm flexing here because I wanted to show you my muscles. Look at my shoulders, y'all. I am super proud of them because with me not having so much time in the day to spend hours in the gym, I've been going and taking the time that I do have, even if it's like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever. I've been doing arms, toning arms and shoulders, and of course doing the Peloton. But me, like my shoulders, seeing them is proof to myself that even just the little bit, if you stay consistent, it does make a difference. So that's what that's about.
Almost ready, like literally there. My hair, I'm gonna leave it like this, but I guarantee you I'm gonna end up, like, it's so hot here, like a heat warning type hot. So I guarantee it's gonna go up. We're gonna bring the clip for sure. Since it's a special day, we're gonna go in with this, the little Dior lip oil, but it's the new one, the one in pink lilac. Super cute. I mean, it's really nothing like game changing. It's a nice oil, but I just haven't used it yet. So today's a good day. Boy, that's smooth. Super smooth. And then the next special thing that we're doing, I only pull this perfume out like on special dates. It's the Louis Vuitton perfume that I actually bought for myself, but I just told myself, you know, it's a special occasion perfume. So I got my initials put in it by Louis Vuitton. Like if you buy a perfume, they'll do that for you. Isn't it so cute? Smells delish. Like I got this years ago and I've only used this much of it because it's like a special situation. Boy, that smells so good.
Okay, so I've got this dress from Revolve. It's really long, but it has 2 slits in it, and as hot as it's about to be, I don't even mind the length of it because it's very loose and flowy. There's pockets in it, which is a good idea, but they stick out, but it's fine. I don't care with how hot it's about to be. This is a Skims, no, Good American band, no, it is Skims, a Skims Bandeau, and I've got the Bottega Veneta sunglasses that I believe I got last year for my birthday. And yeah, let's, oh, the Alexander Berman tennis shoes, yes. And we're ready to go. It's already so hot. Exhausted from the heat. Foundation doesn't look half bad though. Still going strong. That was delish. Now let's go back into the heat. It's so freaking hot. Just got home for a quick break and to get cleaned up and kind of chill for a sec. Like it's that hot. So relaxing. I'll show you what I got from Sephora. And I got a couple things from HLn&x, but it was more like basic. Like they gave me a birthday coupon, so it was like basic black pants and a black dress just so I could wear
to work, so nothing special. But I'll show you what I got from Sephora. Literally like Dr. Pepper. Oh my gosh, okay. So now that I've cooled down, I've chilled out, I did my nails. Aren't they cute? Classic French tip. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Let's do this mini Sephora haul. I went in there because I get a birthday gift. So I was like, well, may as well make the best of this and buy something. So obviously I ended up getting more than just one thing, but there was new product and we love that. The birthday gift that I chose was the Youth to the People little skincare kit. It's got a mini Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask, Superfood Facial Cleanser, and then the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. I love Superfood. This is a tried and true. It screamed out to me the loudest when it came to the birthday gift selection, so we got that. Next up, this isn't really new. Every time I see it, I'm like, I want to try it so bad. And it is the Refi dual-ended brush. This is you get a bronzer brush that is a mix of two bristles, which if you didn't know, a two bristled brush is going to have you're going to get a more seamless blended look as opposed to like a streak. Two bristled brushes are the best for cream, bronzing, cream and powder, just blending in general. Two bristles is where it's at. And then the other side is the blush brush. So here's the two bristled side, and then this is just the blush brush. And I think I'm gonna use it for a little nose contouring as well. Have high hopes for this bad boy. Then we have this from Patrick Ta, which I didn't know he had new highlighters. This is the Major Glow highlighter in the shade Daddy. And I was in between two, this one and then there was a white one, and it was just this gorgeous like wedding white highlight. So pretty, like snow, just gorgeous. I may go back and get it because it's like still on my mind. It was that gorgeous. Okay, so the classic Patrick Ta component, and then we have the cream and powder highlight. This has like a pink shimmer in it. It's almost like a soft rose gold, and of course we love that there's a cream to it as well. Gorge. I can't wait to try this. I had no clue he had released highlighters. Next, I just wanted to try this mascara. I didn't see, there's a Givenchy mascara that I want to try, but I wanted this one because it gets really good reviews. So this is the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara, jet black. I just got a mini so I could try it. Next, we got the Charlotte Tilbury. Again, had no clue she was releasing anything new like this. This is the Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint. I swatched it when I was in the store and it was like, the glow. Oh, if you place this in the right places, girl, gorgeous. I got the shade 4 Fair, and like there was a sign that was advertised for it, and it was like how to achieve ring light skin, which I don't know if you've ever been in front of a ring light and then had yourself in a camera, but there's just this gorgeous glow about it. I know that sounds silly, but this is what she looks like. Just a little stick applicator. Oh, so excited to try this. And last but not least, another glow product. This is the Fenty Skin in the number 2, and it is the Hydra Visor Hues. So it's a tinted moisturizer, SPF of 30, and this is just the refill. They didn't have like the actual component that it goes in, but it's gonna work just the same, I'm sure. But I thought that this seemed like it would be really up my alley for summer and stuff like that. Figured I would get it a try. Lightweight hydration, sun protection, defends and brightens skins while reducing the look of pores. Flexible tint for natural and glowing coverage. I think it looks fine without the component. I probably won't even buy the component, but still. You can get the component if you want. It's only like $6. And that was all I got from Sephora. Now I'm gonna rest a little bit, get cleaned up, and get ready for my birthday dinner. This highlight is so gorgeous. day is coming to an end. I'm always a little tiny bit sad when my birthday's over. I have to wait a whole nother year. Makes me sad. But tomorrow's gonna be a good day too. So like the birthday celebration is not quite over yet. But I've just washed my face and this is what I've been using lately because it's been so hot. So I've been kind of monitoring what's going on my face with the heat and the heaviness. So been definitely focusing on hydration. I'm actually, with tomorrow, I've scheduled a facial, so I'm not gonna put on any self tanner or anything too thick. Like I want a nice, fresh, clean face for them. I've been alternating between these two, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair and then the Super Serum Collagen Super Fusion Facial Oil Collagen. So tonight, let's go in with this. First, let's do the eye cream, the Clarins Double Serum. Oh, it's a tried and true and it's fabulous. So, a few pumps and press. I'm gonna go in with 3. I'm gonna do this one, hyaluronic acid, the Blue Hyaluronic Serum Water Bank. And to mix it in, we're gonna go in with the Glazed Donut Truly. This stuff smells so good. Okay. Three squirts. And last but not least, perfect. Y'all should follow me on Instagram because I upload a lot of stories and hurry up, we'll do it. Oh, and it's a fun time. We upload a lot. So follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Drop a comment, say hello. I love talking to y'all. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.